Hello, so this is a Colab Python notebook that I have set up, which you can use to interact with some real life data from classrooms and then also engage your students as to discussing classroom indoor climate, what factors affect it, their perception of the indoor climate, and what do they think they can do to improve the indoor climate. So there are 4 days of data. Each of these files corresponds to one specific day, and you can uncomment and start using one file instead of the other. Uh, there are some basic functions here. So to use this, you do need to have basic idea of how to use Python, but then a lot of the more complex stuff like this time, let's say date time formatting or creating summarizations, that has been taken care of already. So you can run it to get some plots to see how often the data measured was in certain categories. I have focused on 4 parameters here: temperature, CO2, humidity, and PM2.5. And then you can also go on to see like how the parameters varied over the day. And then following that, I have some ideas here regarding how you can engage students, like why are there 2 peaks instead of 1 peak? If the peak was higher, what do you infer about the size of the classroom? Like what happens here? Why would the temperature suddenly increase and humidity suddenly decrease? Can we associate the temperature, humidity, and CO2 parameters from the same day to understand what was happening in the classroom better? So this is like trying to engage students and trying to make them think that, yeah, you are detectives, you have some data here and you have to infer what happened. So that's overall it, and thank you.